Pretty little skinny little bitty body model esque summer.
Hey guys, welcome back. You know, we really ought to stop meeting in my bathroom like this, but I just can't help it. I can't help it. So today we're doing our hair again, and you know, I finally decided it's time to dye it. I'm gonna dye my hair black because, you know, I'm just so tired of the dull off black brown hair color that my hair is right now, and I wanted to go lighter, but I just feel like darker is less of a headache, less maintenance, easy peasy. That's what we're doing. And you know, we're using a box dye and we're dyeing our hair jet black, so self-explanatory. I did section my hair in 4 sections, and I'm just gonna slab this hair color on all over my hair. So just watch. Also, when you're dyeing your hair, make sure you're wearing something that you don't mind messing up or getting hair dye all over it. So we're just going to designate this tea to be the hair dye tea because that's what it is now. And also, I'm not a professional. You guys know this. If you can't dye your hair yourself, I would definitely recommend going to a professional. But for me, I'm going to do what I got to do in my bathroom, okay? Okay, so this is what we're looking like. The box says to leave it on for 20 minutes, so that's what I did. And then I rinsed it out. I did shampoo and condition my hair because I am getting my hair done tomorrow. So this is what it's looking like. It is pretty black. I had my brightness up, so you really can't tell, but I'm so happy about it. My hair is so shiny and it's black. It's not dull. It looks amazing. I'm just gonna section my hair into 4s like I've shown you guys and braid it and just let it dry overnight, and I'm off to the hair salon in the morning. Hey guys, look it.
Y'all, she finally made it back. She ain't been here about 3 years. She cheated on me like 3 times, but it's okay.
Wait a minute. What the? You was the last person that did my hair. I mean, besides my real natural hair. So, yeah, we're at the hair salon. Or is this even a hair salon? What is this? I don't know, but...
So you got it cut, first of all. We got beef. We really got beef. What did you start cutting your hair off for?
Oh my god, because it was boring, very boring. So we had to cut it. My nails?
Yep. Your purse is cute, so make sure you get that before you leave, or I will be pocketing that.
I could pay in purse. I could pay in purse.
I'm gonna start accepting payments like that. Be like, listen, I'm taking Chanel bags.
I'd rather pay in Chick-fil-A. Let's be clear here. So, I dyed my hair yesterday, which you should see a video for that. She took me on her day off. Is that what you did?
I was feeling so generous.
I was so sad. I said, oh my God, I need my hair done, and everybody is booked up, and I don't want to book with no new people because then I'm going to just sit there and be quiet because I don't know them. So I need to message Q and tell her she needs to do my hair or else.
Yeah, that's so like the last 3 times you couldn't even. that's crazy. But hey, I set you up for 2021. So
you did. I got a special code. I'm not telling nobody. You're not ready to do my hair? What are you trying to say? What is the problem? This is my first time trying this So Fresh Co. fruit juice. Apple, mango, banana.
Alright, now we should be ready. What's that yet?
Ooh.
What's that?
It's cold fresh juice. Smells like Play-Doh.
What's in it? What's the ingredients? Or you just drinking it?
Apple, mango, banana.
Is it thick or is your first time trying it?
It's thick. I never tried it before.
Ooh, This is a no for me. Now let me see what the rain did to your hair yesterday.
Yeah, it only like got wet around the hair tie. I don't know. I think the hair tie absorbed all the water.
Did you wash your hair or just put it in hair ties? Is that what you told me?
Yesterday. This was yesterday.
Dang, I'm not used to this. Where's the rest of it? I'll just...
You know, I was looking at old pictures of it because I was like, dang, my hair was kind of long.
It was. It was like...
Well, look, maybe it'll take less time because I have less hair.
You have shorter hair, not less. It's still thick.
Oh. You're right. Shorter.
It still makes it, I don't gotta braid all the way down here no more. I can just stop right there. So yeah, it should take time. I'm just trying to get my hair to this length. You over here, you done grew past this length, chopped it off.
My hair's all blown out, guys.
So yeah, she has so much hair that literally, like, when your hair is this thick, literally this is all the leave out that you need.
I need more than that, cute.
And literally, this will cover both sides right here. Like,
it will not.
Trust me, I've been on hair for over 10 years. I know exactly what I'm talking about.
It's only gonna cover one track. What about the other side? What about the other track on the other side? We need answers. We need answers. I want a big middle part.
Just share some of this hair with me. Like, I'm just trying to figure out why you're so stingy.
First of all, you have a lot of hair. I saw it.
First of all, I don't have enough hair. I saw it.
You just cut it. I cut mine.
I'm glad that I'm seeing live proof. I promise y'all, this girl did not hurt her head still. I promise y'all.
Wait, I didn't move. I've been moving my eyeballs.
Comment down below every time she moves her head. Somebody count every single time she moves it. Because I can't pay attention right now. I'm trying to work.
Well, first of all.
Cool, no problem. You know, be you, no problem.
This is the progress so far. So I'll come back when we have more progress because Q don't do nothing but talk. She don't even know anything. I don't know. Queen.
First time in a long time.
I didn't even tell y'all what hairstyle I was getting. I'm actually getting a quick weave, and honestly, you guys, I dug this hair out a hair bag. I had to look up to see how old this hair was, and you guys would not believe me if I told you how old and how long I've had this hair that I'm getting installed in 2020. Got the hair in 2014. There, I said it. Oh my god. But anywho, you guys, I'm gonna put Q's link in the description box because she started out being my braider, and then she literally does everything. She does everything. So I know her book's open January 1st. So y'all need to get on it, okay? Because my girl be booked and busy. I can't even get a spot, okay? I squeezed in this little hair appointment. Had to come in on a day off. You know, she's just awesome. But you know, yeah, so I'm getting a quick weave. This hair is a wavy curly texture. We're blow drying it and then straightening it. So I'm gonna wear it straight. It's pretty long. I'm not even sure how, like, what's the longest inch, but it's pretty long. And I guess I will keep you guys updated on the texture to see, you know, how it wears, because it is so old. So embarrassing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.
Yes, that is how you have it. Inches. Step y'all game up for the holidays. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, go Keisha. Oh. Go Lakeisha. Go Lakeisha. Ooh.